The insert doesn't work because the user test doesn't have quota on the table space where the table resides. As of now, this table example 1 is just a definition since it doesn't really have any data. It's nothing but an entry defining about it inside the database. This entry is called as the metadata for this table. Every object will have such metadata definition inside the database. They contain the structural definition of the objects. For a table, they will contain details about the columns, data types, etc. So, in the database profession, you would often come across this term metadata. And remember, metadata refers to the entry defining the objects. Thank you for watching this video.